Good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and yeah, today it is Friday, March 11th. Um, and you know what? Let's just zoom out real quick. Yesterday, got lost in the sauce right here. Got caught up in all the bullshit. When what I really said was we either got to wait for price to hit up here, or we got to wait for price to hit down here. And my alerts were going off when I seen price push down here. I was able to enter the trade, and I kind of did some shit that I never really do, which was because I was kind of pissed that I lost a lot of these profits um, in this bullshit right here, in this mess. And I put the trade in, I left it in, I set my targets up, and I was able to hit pretty fucking big, 203 pips. And so we had a great day yesterday. So truthfully, today's a day, if I'm gonna trade, it's got to be something that I see clearly. And one thing that I do see, right, is we have obvious breaker structures to the upside, right? We had a breaker structure here, right? When price broke this high here, breaker structure, never broke this low here and pushed up again. Another clear breaker structure. Price came down, created another higher low, higher than this low, and then made its way up on a slow and steady push on the 9th, on Wednesday, right? Was able to catch this trade overnight, but created another higher low, right? Higher than this low. So we're seeing that price is steadily moving up right now. But this is the ILC from 307, right? From Monday. Right here, this ILC was created. We were able to take some sales off of it. And unfortunately, we only caught this little 119 pips, wherever it was, and missed out on this entire trade. But I do think overall we are in an uptrend. Even though price rejected this ILC again, we had the rejection. I mean, it broke through, but we had the rejection here. We had the rejection here. And now we have another rejection here. So what I'm thinking is I drew the fib out from here to here, right? We have an obvious another breaker structure right here. Price broke above. So what I'm thinking is price possibly going to come down to this level here and shoot up. Not there necessarily. It could be up here. This is a target that I'm looking at. And sorry guys, let me delete this right here. Remove. Yes. I know I got a bunch of shit all up in here. Let me delete this one. I still have to do my trade journal for yesterday. But just to make it at least a little bit more clear. I think price could come down, but if you look on a smaller time frame, it does look like a higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, right? So it does look like it could possibly be a break, but I'd say I wouldn't think it's going to be a breaker structure until it gets down here. Just my opinion. So one thing that I'd be looking for is a buy right here at this level, or a buy right here at this level. These are the two that I'm looking for. All right. Even though it's not golden zone, it's pretty fucking close to it. And I don't want to get you guys confused with this, but we just know that these are strong levels right here, right? Resistance. Well, even here, support, resistance, 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 right? Support. So we know this is a key level right here, as well as with the 15-minute 50 or 5-minute 50 EMA right here. So I'm thinking there's a good chance that price possibly rejects this. And I mean, it's been respecting this area too. It could push up from here as well. But I don't think I'd take the trade up here. It's not even close to the 50%. So I don't think I'd do that. But, it's kind of hard to say. I think this area has shown that it's been rejected more than a few times. This is what I had actually woken up at about 3:15, about when price was right here, and I seen it push all the way up and reject and respect this. And I wanted to put a sell in, but I didn't. I would have been done for the day, 100 pips, right? But you could see it's respecting and rejecting right here. We got about 5 minutes till open. Respecting and rejecting right here as well. But I think what I'm going to do is wait for the buy right here. I like this buy. It's close enough to the 62%, right? It's closer. It's on the 50%, so we could do it like this. 50% ILC, fuck it. Do it something like that. And then we have this one down here, which is a golden zone ILC, right? So either of these can work. Let me just remove this shit. Fuck it. And back these out. I just like having these because I know they're key levels, right? So let me move these out of here for now and see if we can possibly get a trade to the upside right here. 30-minute. This is the ILC right here on the 30-minute. So I think it could come down a little bit more. You could see that there's clearly rejections, right? We had almost a tweezer top up here. Then we had price push back up, retest this EMA line or ILC line here, reject it and come down. So let's see what it does. I mean, I think it could still come down here. If I had to bet my money, I'd say it's possibly coming right here, just because we've had all of this be taken care of before, right? All of this area has been taken care of. Price has filled it multiple times. So I think if it does come down, it comes down to about this area and then possibly pushes up. So that's where I'd have my money at. Something like this. Call it a 40 pip stop loss. I mean, I would take it here. We got a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, 150 pip possible gain. You know what I see here too is a little flag being formed. Little flag being formed here. It could push up from here, but I wouldn't take the trade from there, even though it's a key level, right? This level's been respected multiple times all the way across, right? So this will be the trade I'm waiting for. If it comes, it comes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Pretty happy with the profits this week, so I'm gonna just be patient and see what the market gives us. What do you see, Johnny? You see anything that you like? You see anything different from what I see? Let me know. I'm all ears because it is a little, I don't know. I don't see it as clearly right here, but I think it could make its way down here. So you let me know if you see anything. We've got about 3 minutes to open. Yeah, everything's up right now, right? You can see everything's pretty green right now. There's no big news today that I see. Only thing I see at 10 a.m., well, I guess consumer sentiment at 10 a.m. or about 7 a.m. for us. This is going to be, let me just show you. Level of composite index based on surveyed consumers. Actual greater than forecast is needed. So last, all 2022, it's been less than. So right here, they're expecting 61.4. They've lowered the bar significantly. So I think we should see a greater than forecast, which should possibly pump up what it needs to do. Okay. Financial confidence is a leading indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for a majority of overall economic activity. Gotcha. Of course you're awake, son. So yeah, we got that right there. Okay. So using this 5 minute as a resistance level, making its push down. So got about a minute and a half till open. Let's see if it can continue down and give us an entry right here. Could possibly see something like this. And this would be even better, right? Decrease our stop loss by about 15 pips. Let your nuts hang. Let's see. I'm going to try to wait for it to come down here, but if it sits and respects the top of the 15 minute, then, we just hold on. And it's key too, because remember, we're in a war. Price can possibly just blow through this to create that break of structure to continue this push down. So that's also a possibility of what can happen right here. So let's see. We have the 5 minute here. And get the 15 minute setup. Okay. I see you, Johnny. All right. Got the 15-minute up. Got the 1 minute up. I'm gonna put the 1 minute up right here, actually. Yeah, and yesterday was a big mistake on my end for just not waiting for the areas to get hit. You know, we had set it at 5:30 a.m. like we're gonna wait for these areas, and then I didn't end up waiting for the areas, so that fucked me up. All right, let's see. It could push up from here. Remember this level, but I don't think so. Hmm. It's a big rejection to finish that way. I'm not sure I necessarily like that. It looks like it could push up from here, but I don't want to take that trade. Even though that's a nice rejection and it could continue up from here, still not going to take that trade. But it does look like it could pump up. You can see it kind of testing the 20-minute EMA right here on the 1 minute chart. But the 5 minute is also coming across right here, right? We got the 5 minute chart, or the 5 minute EMA. Let me just go ahead and see if I can draw it out. It kind of rejected that again. Yeah, that's why I wouldn't take that trade necessarily. Even though it gives you a clear rejection, you know, it looks like it still has some ways to come down. 1 second left, finishes like that, it should come down. So on the 15 minute, it's about 657 on MT4, 658-ish. So it's about 40 pips away still. And that's from the top up here, you know what I mean? But it's making its way down. Let's see if it can do it again. Coming down quick. Alright, let's see. This is a key level right here too, right? We had a bunch of rejections right here. See if it can make it down there. Damn, come on, just touch it. I put a little 0.02 in right now. I want to see if it can make its way down. Damn, might have been it, but nah. You know what? With this candle right here, I think it should come. I think it should come down right here. That's a nice rejection, pretty close to where we about a pip away, right? Yeah, I think it should come down a little bit more. See if it gives us another entry. 37. You know, it's respecting it. You know, truthfully, I'm in there, but I want it to come down a little bit more. And then I want to put a bigger position in as it comes down farther. Finishes like that. I think it should come down. Okay, it should come down. Hmm. Mm-mm. Motherfucking market makers know. Uh, I put another buy in, 0.02, but basically the same area. I got both of my 0.02s in at 79 and 77. But let's see. No, this one looks like it'll come down now. My mistake. Alright, I'm going to go a little bit bigger once it gets down to my zone. Yeah, it looks like it is going to come down, so let's see. Got about 20 seconds left on this candle. Shit. No way. Alright, well, we're in there, right? I just added another position. See if it gives us what we want. Alright. Got in a little late on that second position. Let's see. 79, 77, and 88. All 0.02s. I wanted to get in a little bit bigger position, a little bit lower, but I was just about to say it has to break through this. Has to break through this. And let me actually draw out the fib. Oh, that's crazy right there. That fucked me up right there. Now it's gonna come down, huh? Let's see. So here's the 5 minute, which is pretty important for it to break through, right? And then the 15 minute, let me draw that out. It lines up where we kind of want it to line up with our original buy. All right. Let's see. I don't know if I like that actually. Shit. That's a little too deep for me. Haven't put nothing in yet just because that's a little deep. The reason I haven't put anything in is because of this candle right here. It looks like the strength is coming down, right? So yeah, I fucked up with these entries up here. I thought all these rejections were pushing, but it is what it is. I'm gonna get stopped out with my top positions if it breaks this. But it does look like it is gonna break it, right? Boom. I get stopped out yet. Yeah, I just got stopped out on my top positions. Damn. That was a stupid fucking trade. But golden zone is approaching right here. Let's see what it does. See if it makes it. Get this money back. Whoa. I had a key level at 609, but I don't see anything here necessarily. Well, you know what? That's the top of the we didn't do the wick, so that could have been the wick rejection right there. 62%. Might enter. This will be my last trade for the day. It's either we get it or we don't. And might enter right here. It's the top of the 15-minute wick. Haven't quite entered yet. I like that. I like that. Alright. See if it gives me a better entry. Alright, I just entered. Oh shit. As soon as I entered. Damn. I got in at a 611. I'm going to move my stops to break even just because this is a strong push to the downside. So my stops are at break even already. Since I'm in at 611, I'm up about 23 pips. Let's see if it can go where we want it to go now. Okay. Now it has a lot of things to break through though, right? There's a 15-minute 50 EMA. There's a lot of things it has to get through. So let's see if it can do that. That's a nice push, rejections, right? But it has a lot of bullshit to get through. Alright, it's moving, but we got to get it to push up a little bit more. Right? Sorry, let me get this. I'm pretty close to the bottom right there. 21.31. Ah, fuck. Rejecting that. I mean, this is it for me. I'm in that break even, so, you know, let's see what it does for us. Yeah, I don't like that. Don't like that at all. Essentially rejecting that, right? Let's see. Moving my stops to 613. $10 left. I like to see this turn bullish right here and just show us that it has that pull to the upside, but if it finishes like this, it looks like it could just follow its way down, right? Man. Oh, shit. I mean, it has to break through it. Let's see if it could. That's the biggest thing. Can it break through it? Up about 40 pips now. Close to 40 pips. That ain't right. Close to 40 pips. That's somewhere right there. Still hasn't broken through it, which I don't like. We got to see this thing get a strong, strong push to the upside. It's still not breaking it. You see that? So I'd like to draw these out to show me, you know, where it needs to break through. And damn. I mean, it has the push up, but you can see the rejection there. Don't like that. Even body with this. Let's see if it can get a push though. Really want to see a break above here. Another key level right here, right? This one. Got to make sure it breaks through that. Yeah, I don't think it's going to do it. I don't think it's going to do it. Damn. Yeah, I think I'm going to pull my position just because, yeah, look at that. Might as well get some profit out of this shit. Possibly give us a place to re-enter. Still 31 seconds left. Let's see. Maybe it can pull back up. Doesn't look so great on the 15-minute. Doesn't look so great on the 5-minute either, but let's see. Yeah, it's going to keep that body. Alright. Should I pull it? Yeah, I should pull it. Fuck. I'm still holding on, but let's see. Yeah, fuck. Alright. I'm still holding on, but oh. 10 seconds left. It's probably gonna come back down. Damn. I really like that trade. What I'm looking at is this right here, this little line. I want to see if it's going to break it and body it like that, or if it's going to wick out like that. I'm looking at this little line right here. You see how it's kind of respecting this? This is kind of what I'm looking at. It's kind of rejecting it, right? But it's hard to say. I mean, if it finishes like this, that's a very good sign for us, right? But if it comes back down these last 10 seconds like that, then, you know, there's a good chance it comes down some more. I think I'm going to put my stops just below that wick. See if it could get a push, man. Oh, shit. It has to break through that again, right? It's already respected this multiple times. Gotta get through that. Gotta get through that. Shit, let's see if it can. I mean, it's got a chance, right? It's got a puncher's chance right now. Let's see if it gets that motherfucking push. I like how much body's into that instead of it wicking out. Now let's see if it can use this 15-minute as somewhat of a support and push up, right? Nah, motherfucker. It's still rejecting the 15-minute 50 EMA, you know? Damn, dog. Just give it to me, girl. Yeah, that doesn't look good. 19 seconds left on that thing. You know what it's doing is it's kind of, I kind of see it as kind of trapping us, right? It's giving us the hope, giving us the hope that it can push through. But, you know, look at that. Still rejected the 15-minute. Damn, man. Yeah, that was, I think I'm going to pull the trade now. Just because what I'm seeing right here. But, you know, let's see. Pretty happy with the profits for the week already. And we'll see right here. I'm down 176 on the day right now. And I got $120 floating right now. Damn. I really want to see this trade hit. Yeah, now that I look at it, it doesn't look good at all. The 5-minute doesn't look good. The 15-minute doesn't look good. None of it looks good right now. The only thing we can do is hope for a miracle and a strong push-up right now this last minute of the 5-minute cycle. Damn, that shit really did that. It gave me a lot of hope when it pushed up like that, truthfully. It gave me a whole lot of hope. Yeah, let me just... That's a strong push down. And stopped out at break even. Mother sucker. I made $8 on the trade. So 168. I want to see if it gives me another opportunity to hop in. I think, you know, usually what it does is it'll show a little bit of respect at the top, then come down and, you know, broke even here. lost here. I didn't even do it up here. I lose about. You know, truthfully, this shit looks like, you know, when you look at the other time frames, it might just come down. We have a nice IOC at like the 78.6 area. But let's see. I haven't entered anything yet. I want to, if it invalidates this trade right here by pushing through it, then we'll know. It's about right here. So did it tap it? It tapped it a little bit, right? Haven't entered anything. Looks a little strong to me still. And that's what I was saying, right? Like what it could do is just break through this, all this, right? Break that low. And now it's a break of structure to the downside, right? Respected the top up here, broke structure to the downside now. Now the trade that we'd be looking for to continue down is the trade possibly right here, you know, at this level, meeting up with the 15-minute and the 15-minute 50 EMA. So it looks like it might invalidate it right here. Let's see. A little bit of respect shown. Okay. I'd like it to finish like that. No trades yet. You know, 7 o'clock's coming with that news, so maybe it's waiting for something like that, you know. I'm coming, Pops. So that news will be coming out right now in about 2 minutes. Maybe it's waiting for that. You see how it kind of slowed down. Okay, baby boy. I like that. I like that. I put a little buy-in. I'm in at 89. And I'm going to have my stop loss just below there. Okay, I'm coming, baby boy. Alright, let's see what happens. You know? I'm only willing to lose about 250 today, so. Let's see if the news goes our way. Where's sister at? Where's sister at? Hey, sister. Sister. Where are you, sister? Peekaboo. Hey, hi, sis. today? Oh, okay.
Daddy, I want him to lay down with me.
He doesn't want to lay down with you.
I want him to.
Okay, so let's see. 7 o'clock right here. This is gonna kind of tell us what's what. Ah, shit, son. Damn, son. He shit all over the couch, huh? Don't think the news was good. Did he poop all over the couch? That's 2 days in a row, my guy. I got stopped out, and yeah, consumer sentiment was a lot lower. So I got stopped out. I had a little .02 in there. Yeah, didn't work. Oh, it's okay. We only lost a little bit of money. Yeah, I mean, it looks like from what's happening here, price is going to continue down, probably down to this support level. And now the trade is, you look for a retracement back up top, 60%, 50%, and possibly see it come down. I'm done for the day, done for the week. You know, so you win some, you lose some. I think we had the right sentiment, but you know, price just needed to come down. It wasn't going to break. It wasn't going to continue to break structure to the upside and push itself up. Bro, you got shit all over the place, my guy. Damn. And I got a shitty situation right here. Damn, bro. I lose money and I fucking get shit all over me. Yeah. I mean, so once these highs got broken, I think that should have been a little bit of a signal for us to just wait for a reversal to the upside. So I'm gonna definitely remember that, because as soon as they broke, yeah, we could have looked here, but we could see that price is just doing its thing up, right? And there's a 78.6% IOC right here. That's somewhat being respected, but you could see as soon as 7 o'clock hit, that news was bad, and we seen that huge drop right there. So that's going to do it to you every time. You know what I mean? Yeah, I ended up, you know, it's all good. We lose one, we lose some, we win some, but we live to fight another day. So Johnny, I appreciate you for hopping on, dog. I'll get with you on Monday. We'll be ready to trade. And then, you know, we just take it day by day, man. So have yourself a good one, bro. And we'll see you on Monday.